Hello my lovely ladies and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Danielle and I am the founder and CEO of Christian Girl Next Door Ministries, where I help you lovely ladies to define and beautify your walk with Christ through fashion, faith, and femininity. So today's video, I'm actually going to bring you guys along my reset and pamper routine because my life has been absolutely insane. So what better way to decompress, to relax, to spend time with God, to beautify ourselves than a reset and pamper routine. So with that being said, I also created a free downloadable resource down below so you lovely ladies can have your own Christian girl reset and pamper routine because we love that for us. So that being said, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on Christian Girl Next Door Ministries. And I want to thank Madam Glam for sponsoring today's video, which we will hear more about in this video.
From your tail, let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Alright, hey girlies. So first things first, to have the ultimate Christian girl reset pamper routine, I would recommend to get the thing that you've been procrastinating about out the way. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Clean your room, get that assignment done, do what needs to get done. As you can see, I was finishing up a homework assignment. Hello, good morning you guys, and welcome to my reset pamper routine. So I just finished up my homework. That's one of the first things that I need to do as soon before I'm able to relax and pamper myself, is get the priority stuff out the way. So that was my schoolwork, got some quizzes done, almost done with the semester. So next thing is I want to take a shower. Alright girlies, so as you can see, I literally just got out the shower and my hair is wrapped because I literally just got my hair done and I don't need it to get wet. But during this time, I am one to really take quick showers. But again, this is a pamper and reset routine. So just typically things that I would rush to get done, like combing through my hair, making sure my hair didn't get wet from the shower, just having a leisurely time doing things. And I go ahead and go in with my Moisture Surge. Love the Moisture Surge. It hydrates my face. Sometimes with my skincare kind of dries my face out a little bit, so Moisture Surge is one of my go-to. It's my holy grail. Alright cuties, so the next thing is to clean up our space. Part of taking care of yourself mentally and physically is also to take care of your home, the ministry of your home. And I might not have my own home, but my room is my oasis. And right now it is in shambles. I literally rolled out of bed and went straight to homework. So before we get to the relaxing, chillaxing, let's go ahead and pick up the room. Pamper routine is to beautify your environment, whether that's cleaning your room, making your bed, lighting a candle. Set the mood to relax. Trust me, it makes a big difference. There's nothing better than relaxing with a clean space. Another great tip for your pamper routine is to have your must-haves. For me, a awesome worship playlist is detrimental to really putting myself in that mood to worship Jesus. Okay, ladies, so one of my favorite things during my pamper routine is to do something for myself, something that makes me feel beautiful, something that makes me feel confident. And thanks to Madam Glam for helping me feel beautiful, because I've been putting off getting my nails done. But the good thing with Madam Glam is that this is a at-home gel nail kit, and it comes with the LED light, which we love that. We don't even need to leave our house to get our nails done. Truly, I love it. Madam Glam is cruelty-free and vegan Also, we love that Madam Glam gives salon quality products at an affordable price. With powerful pigments and non-toxic ingredients, Madam Glam has the healthiest formula in the nail industry. Don't forget to check out Madam Glam because they were so gracious enough to give me a 30% off coupon for you lovely ladies. Just use the code ALLIED30-1 to get 30% off your purchase. This would be great for a Christmas gift or even as a Christmas gift for yourself. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm super excited for that I haven't done in a while is do a face mask, and this is my favorite skincare brand. It is Versed. It is also vegan, cruelty free. You guys know that's all, like, I love that for us. So it is just the Fine Clarity Purifying Mask that we love. So let's go ahead and put that on. So now we have to wait for, let's see, 15 minutes. As I begin to wind down for bedtime, I take this time to write in my prayer journal, just talking to God and really letting all these burdens from life finally lift off my shoulders just by talking to God. This is probably the most important thing to your Christian girl reset and pamper routine is you're not going to get any rest or relax if you don't go to God first. So I hope you lovely ladies enjoyed this video, and thank you so much again for Madam Glam for sponsoring this video.